All right, everybody. Today, we're going to dive back into Christina Tosi's All About Cookies. Love these cookies. Today, it's going to be carrot cake cookies. So the first thing I want to do is we're going to run down the ingredients list, and then we're getting into mixing these bad boys up and getting them into the oven, okay? You got it. First on the list, 226 grams or 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter. Got that right here. 3/4 cup packed or 170 grams of light brown sugar. Light brown sugar. A half cup or 100 grams of sugar. 1 large egg in its own pretty little bowl. Isn't that great? My friend makes all this pottery, by the way. We're going to put in a teaspoon or 4 grams of vanilla extract. 65 grams or 1/3 cup of carrots, microplaned. And Christina goes out of the way to add this note and to say a microplane is a very, very fine grater. But she says, please don't use a grater that you would use to shred carrots for a classic carrot cake, or you'll be very unhappy with the texture of the cookie. So we're making cookies. We're going to super fine microplane these carrots. We've got 2 1/4 cups or 325 grams of flour. We've got a tablespoon or 6 grams. I really measure everything on a scale, so we're talking 6 grams of milk powder, non-fat milk powder. One of Christina's often secret ingredients. We've got 1.5 teaspoons or 6 grams of kosher salt. We've got a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We'll measure that out as we go, the same as we will with the baking powder and the baking soda. A half teaspoon or 2 grams of baking powder. 1/8 of a teaspoon or a half gram of baking soda. Then we also have a cup or 105 grams of toasted chopped walnuts. And last but not least, 1 cup or 150 grams of golden raisins. Juicy, yummy golden raisins. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set about getting our microplane, and we're going to grate up these carrots and see how that goes. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. $30 grams, 44. My gosh, we're almost there. Looks like I won't need this whole carrot, so I'm afraid I'm going to have to eat it. That's what we do with carrots, right? We eat them. They're so good for you. These cookies are healthy, because they have fruits and vegetables. Golden raisins, grated carrots. A little too much, 69 grams, so we get to taste a little bit of this. Delicious. Love carrots. Let's get this party started. We have the oven heating to 350 degrees. We've lined our 2 half-sheet pans with parchment paper. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, cream together the butter, brown sugar, and sugar on medium-high for 2 to 3 minutes until well combined. So bring on the butter. Yes. Wash. Here we go. 1 and 2. Let's put in the sugar. Let's put in the light brown sugar. But it's all going to come off in a clump, right? Here we go. Get this over to the stand mixer, the magic stand mixer. Cream this together on medium-high for 2 to 3 minutes. Hold down, head locked. 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3 is medium, so this must be medium-high. So the next thing we need to do here, scrape down the sides. There we go. That's a thing of real beauty. One teaspoon of vanilla coming right up. Ah, that's a perfect end of that bottle of vanilla. Let's use it all up. Mix for 2 more minutes, then we're going to add the carrots and mix it till it's well combined. Here we go. Adding in the carrots. Mix until well combined. Looks pretty well combined to me. Add the flour, milk powder, salt, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda. The milk powder looks just like this. In we go. We're going to put the salt. Beautiful kosher salt, kind of flaky. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. What's carrot cake cookies without cinnamon? There it goes. Half a teaspoon baking powder. 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Let's get this beautiful flour on the way. Here we go. Let's try to get it all into the mixing bowl. A little less on the counter. Then we're going to go on low speed until just combined, about 20 seconds. Look at that glorious clump of batter. Isn't it a sight to behold? In goes the toasted walnuts. In goes the golden raisins. And paddle them in until just incorporated. Time to grab the handy dandy cookie scoop. Get these bad boys in the oven. Can't say I always do what Christina says, but she says press down the domes a little bit. In 8 to 10 minutes, we're going to know what it is. What do you think? Cookies on the way? And cookies are on the way. Look at these beautiful cookies. I was so excited to get them out of the oven. I didn't even get a shot of them coming out of the oven, but here they are. Please leave any comments you have down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get the next edition